Hello everyone. Today, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to integrate Stripe with Podia. To begin, sign up for an account on the Podia website by using the link in the description box. Let's get started. Integrating Stripe with Podia in 2024 facilitates seamless payment processing for your digital products, memberships, and online courses. Begin by logging into your Podia account and navigating to the Settings section. From there, access the Payment Gateways option and select Stripe as your preferred payment gateway. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account to Podia, configuring settings such as default currency and payment options. Create payment forms within Podia, tailored to collect necessary payment information from your customers. Associate your products, memberships, or online courses with the payment forms to enable customers to make purchases directly through Podia using Stripe as the payment processor. Before going live, conduct test transactions to ensure payments are processed correctly through Stripe. Once live, monitor transactions within Podia to track payments received through Stripe. Continuously optimize your payment forms and checkout process to enhance the customer experience and maximize conversions. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description to access the platform. Thank you for watching.